the powerful 3-minute quantum jump mind exercise that will change your life. After watching this law of attraction technique, your brain will take a quantum leap and never be the same again. Much of our past programming is hardwired into our physical system, and this can keep us stuck in repetitive perceptions and behaviours. Neural pathways are connections within the brain that fire according to the programs and the stimulation they receive. Although some of these patterns serve us well and there's no need to change them, some of them block our progress towards the things we want and dictate our relationship with everything we experience in the world around us. If something not wanted is happening, it will be because of a pattern and perception we've developed in our past. For example, if a person is continuously thinking they don't have enough money, then the neural pathway created regarding money will always leave this person with the perception and belief of lack and limitation. Conversely, if a person focuses on happy, positive thoughts and feelings, they strengthen the neural pathways that relate to happiness and positivity, and those then become dominant in their mind. Every thought and feeling we have strengthens the neural pathways that we have developed, which in turn will dictate what we believe to be true in our lives. As a result, we radiate a specific vibrational frequency that is in alignment with our current beliefs and attract the things that match those beliefs into our lives. Luckily, we can all create new neural pathways in a rapid and effective way through our thoughts, intentions and actions. The following mental exercise will help you develop new neural pathways that will align you with what you want to manifest most in your life. Step 1. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Allow yourself to feel your body begin to relax and get heavier. Feel yourself begin to slow down. And now take a few more deep breaths. Step 2. Focus on something you'd like to manifest. Call it into your mind with as much detail as you're able to. Imagine yourself touching the object. How does it feel? Does it have sound? If so, take a moment to hear it. Feel all the energy this evokes in you. Experience it now as if it were real. Step 3. Begin to say the name of the thing you're focusing on. You can say it out loud or just in your mind. For example, if it's a car you want to manifest, you might say 2020 Black Tesla Model X with ludicrous mode. Come up with at least 5 things you love about your new Model X and make a note of how it makes you feel. Repeatedly state the name of the object over and over with authority for about 30 seconds. Now take a breath and repeat this. Step 4. At this point, you will probably notice that you're able to identify the emotions you're feeling while doing the exercise. What I want you to do is give the emotions a name, for example, happy, excited, grateful, etc. Anything between 1 and 4 emotions is enough. Now say these emotions out loud for about 30 seconds to a minute. Once again, take note of how you feel as you state them. Step 5. Take a few moments to say out loud, "This is my new truth and my new reality." In doing this, you're establishing a commitment within your mind to begin forming the new belief that you already have the thing you're choosing to manifest. By declaring it to be true, the brain will go to work to begin the process of bringing it into existence. Step 6. Rinse and repeat. Do this exercise for 2 to 5 minutes per day for a minimum of 30 days. In doing so, you're creating new neural pathways that will allow for your new perceptions and behaviours. With commitment, you'll begin to think more thoughts more often that correspond with the new truths and realities that you've established in Step 5, thus leading you to a stable vibrational frequency that has to deliver the manifestations you desire. This is how you can transform your life from one of worry and disempowerment to one of freedom, growth and joy. This quick and easy mind exercise will work in any area of your life. Money, relationships, and your career. The universe will deliver its law. For more inspirational and life-changing content, make sure to subscribe to the Abundance 24/7 YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video.